welcome to Healthy Kadhai. In my today's video, I'll be making another healthy and wholesome recipe which is vegetable frittata. Frittata is basically an egg-based Italian dish which looks like omelette or scrambled egg with additional ingredients like meat and lots of cheese. But today we'll be making an egg-free, gluten-free, soy-free, protein-rich frittata using chickpea flour or besan. This is a very simple recipe and you can have it for breakfast, lunch or even dinner. So let's quickly see how to make it. Before starting with the video, I would request you to please subscribe to our channel, click on the bell icon to get regular updates of our new recipes. Firstly, we'll prepare batter. For this, I'll take 1.5 cup of besan or chickpea flour, 1/4 cup of curd. Curd is an optional ingredient if you are vegan, so you can avoid adding curd in it. Then goes spices. I'll add 1 teaspoon of salt, red chili powder, colored red chili powder, half a teaspoon turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon baking soda, little bit of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of oil. You can use any oil. And then we'll gradually add water in it to prepare a lump-free batter. Now we need to saute all the veggies. So in a pan, we'll heat 1 tablespoon of oil. Here I am using groundnut oil. You can use any oil of your choice. Then we'll saute onions. We need to saute onions till it turns little goldenish brown. Then we'll add sliced capsicum, sliced carrots and beans. We'll be loading this dish with veggies. So it's a very healthy one. You can have it for breakfast, for lunch, even for dinner. It's actually a very filling dish. Here goes broccoli, cauliflower, and we'll also add cabbage. We'll also add few peas and continue to saute for another 5 to 10 minutes on medium flame till all the veggies become little soft and tender. Lastly goes tomatoes. We'll add little salt in it and we'll just cook for another 1 minute. For this recipe, if you have a heavy iron pan, then you can use that. You can simply saute the veggies in that pan and you can pour the batter on the top and then you can put this in oven directly. However, we'll be transferring these veggies in another baking dish. Our veggies are done. Into a batter, we'll also add few greens. You can use spinach, mint, cilantro, thyme, any greens which you want. Now it's time to assemble our dish. Here I have greased a baking dish. Into this, at the base, we'll put our sauteed veggies. And then we'll pour our prepared chickpea batter. Just cover it completely. We'll finally garnish it with few peas. And here goes nice tomatoes. It's time to bake it. I have already preheated my microwave We need to bake this dish at 180 degrees Celsius for 40 to 50 minutes depending upon the temperature and timing in your oven. We need to bake it till the time the toothpick comes out clean. Our dish is ready. Let's cut it out. Just look at this. A very healthy, wholesome meal frittata is ready to serve. Nutritionally rich. You'll really like the taste of it. You can have it for breakfast, lunch, brunch, dinner, or any other special occasion. I'm sure you'll really gonna love the taste of it. Friends, do try out this recipe and let me know how does it turn out for you. If you liked watching today's video, please give us a thumbs up, share our videos with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to Healthy Kadhai to watch more such healthy and interesting recipes. Until our next video, happy cooking and stay healthy.